Today on To the Sunny Side, we're going to be finishing up my parents' master bathroom reno and sharing this huge reveal with you. I'm Michelle. And I'm Steph. And this is video number 3 in our 3 series giveaway. Now, in case you didn't know, we are giving away a $150 gift card to the Home Depot to help you with your next project. So if you want to enter, be sure to check out the first video, the second video, and be sure to watch this entire video so you won't miss how to enter. So now we're going to finish up the last few things in my parents' bathroom makeover. We'll be adding all the pretty things today and share some of our favorite decorating hacks on a budget. And we can't wait to finally share this huge bathroom makeover. First, let's take a look at how far we've come. This bathroom had good bones, but the layout didn't function as well as it could, and it totally lacked on style. So we took everything down to the studs to create a more functional layout and utilize every square inch of this space. Now this reno hasn't been without its challenges and design revisions, but in the end, we've been able to create a luxury spa-like bathroom for my parents.
Our first decorating hack is to shop around for lighting. So I immediately fell in love with some light fixtures that were above and beyond what I was willing to pay. So with a little shopping around, I found one on eBay. It was in new condition, and the other two I found on Amazon. But you can also check your Facebook Marketplace and just online classifieds and see if you can find a good substitute at a better price.
The second hack is to look for a prefab vanity. We found this one online at the Home Depot for about $1,500. It's solid wood with a quartz countertop and undermount sinks. And if you've ever priced countertops alone, you'd spend that much just on the stone. So a prefab vanity can really save you some money.
Number 3 is to swap out your hardware. While this vanity was a great quality piece, I felt like the actual pulls that came with the cabinet looked cheap and felt cheap. And so I decided to upgrade those with some more quality pieces that really upgraded the look of this vanity. And a special thanks to Amerock Hardware for providing all of this beautiful hardware for our bathroom remodel.
Number 4 is to hang mirrors or art easily using painter's tape as your guide. You can easily make adjustments to make sure that it's level before driving any nails into the wall.
Get on your feet, there's sights to see. Rolling hills or city streets, ocean to ocean and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. Take it in, we got no plans. Good things come to those who can. Live moment to moment and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. So look alive, 'cause while I was waiting for you, paradise is on the other side of the road. We don't know, taking a long way. You and I were born to roll.
Number 5 is don't be afraid to use thrifted items. I found this beautiful frame at the vintage market, and it just ties the look together for this bathroom.
Look alive, 'cause while I was waiting for you, paradise is on the other side of the road. We don't know, taking a long way. You and I were born to roll.
This
This next hack is perfect for adding art or decor around your home without driving nails into the walls. We are going to use picture hanging strips by 3M because in our case, we didn't want to drill into this beautiful tile wall we just installed. So they click together just like Velcro and they hold up to 15 pounds. It's the perfect solution.
Number 7 is make your own art dirt cheap. Tap the link above and see all the details about how we made this beautiful piece of art for the bathroom.
And decorating hack number 8, don't be afraid to add draperies into your bathroom. Not only will adding fabric break up all the hard surfaces in the room, but it also helps to create this luxurious spa-like atmosphere.
Number 9 is if you have the space, add some accent furniture. It will make your room feel intentional and well executed.
Hack 10 is to utilize wall space to create recessed shelving. Tap the link on the screen for step-by-step instructions.
Number 11 is to create functional decor. Decant items that you use on a regular basis, like bubble bath into a decanter, and cotton balls and bar soaps into a pretty box container on a shelf.
Hack number 12, use matching containers for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This eliminates clutter with mismatched multicolored containers and it creates a high-end look.
Number 13 is to group items on a pretty tray on the countertop. It just makes everything look intentional and pretty. Before we jump into this final reveal, it's time to explain the giveaway a little bit more and how to enter. So with this video for the entries, all you need to do is hashtag to the sunny side reveal down in the comments. And then you're going to tell us what your favorite tool is that you cannot live without. And since we're doing this giveaway, we thought it would be really fun to hear about all the different tools that make your life easier when you're doing a project.
So just remember, this is one of the entries. To do the other entries, make sure you watch the first video and the second video, and I'll put those down below in the description for you. You have to do all 3 things that we ask on all 3 videos. So if you want to win some moolah towards your next project, that's how you enter. Okay, let's move on to this huge bathroom reveal.
All right, I've got my sister here, and we wanted to have someone to reveal the room to. So we're going to open the door and get her reaction. She remembers what it looked like the day we moved in.
I do.
And after our mini makeover. And then you can see the difference now. Okay, open the door.
Holy smoke. Wow. This is so insane. It is like, wow. Okay, it is. You are just drawn into this scene.
Do you feel like you're in a garden almost?
Yes,
In a
yes.
in a
I feel like I'm
cottage?
I feel like I'm in a cottage in Europe. Okay, and the
Yay!
painting like nails the whole thing together. Honestly, this room makes me want to cry.
I cried over it.
Because it's not just like a bathroom, it's like a whole mood that's created here where you just want to stay and be pampered.
Now, if you've loved these ideas to save tons of money on your next bathroom reno, make sure to check out our other videos in this renovation series. Also, those are the videos you need to watch to enter the giveaway. So make sure you check those out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
This is by far the most amazing thing you've done.